Chocolate cake. 250 grams sultanas and raisins. 125 grams chopped prunes and apricots. 150 milliliters dark rum. Zest and juice of 1 orange. 175 grams brown sugar and softened butter. 4 medium eggs beaten. 125 grams self-raising flour. 1/2 teaspoon cinnamon. 75 grams dark chocolate finely grated. 100 grams flaked almonds lightly toasted. Put the fruit, rum, orange zest and juice in a pan and bring to the boil. Turn off the heat, cover and leave to soak overnight. Preheat the oven to 150 degrees. Grease and line a 20 centimeters tin with grease-proof paper. Beat sugar and butter in a large bowl with a hand mixer for 5 minutes or until fluffy. Add the eggs a little at a time. If the mixture starts to curdle, add the flour. Gently fold in soaked fruit and remaining ingredients. Pour into the tin and level the surface. Bake for 3 hours until a skewer inserted into the center comes out clean. Once it's cooled, sprinkle powdered sugar over the top. Pour some hot chocolate and enjoy a slice of this delicious cake. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more recipes.